Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new planner, at least it's new to me, that so many of you have asked me about. It is called the 90X planner. Now I have heard a lot about this planner, probably for the last, I want to say at least the last year. And I've been getting messages since it first came out, you know, like if I had tried the planner, what did I think? You know, what have I heard about it? And honestly, I had never tried it, but on Instagram, I want to say about a week ago, I saw, I think it was an ad. I think it was. It was a ad by the Instagram account 90X Planner, I guess. And they had an offer where you could get the planner for free. Now, of course, it's not 100% free. It's you get a free planner, but you have to pay shipping. And I think it was roughly $10 or so. And because I've been curious, I know a lot of you have been curious, I decided to go ahead and order it and see what all the hype is about. Because I don't hear a lot about this planner in the planner community and the groups that I'm in. But from what I hear from like in the entrepreneur business communities, that this is a very popular planner. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now you saw that I had the envelope here, and then I noticed that it had this cool little logo on the back. But all I did was open it up. And you can see it's in another bubble envelope. Okay. Now from what I can see, it looks really, really nice. I don't see any instructions or anything excuse me, with it, but it comes shrink wrapped, and then it has limited edition X here, and that's it. Okay, so let me go ahead and take off the shrink wrap so we can see inside. Okay, it took me a while to get the shrink wrap off, but from what I can tell, the quality of this feels really nice right out the package. Right here on the spine, it says "Trust the process," and it is kind of like a faux leather kind of cover. The one I got is in black, but I think it I think it does come in different colors. And then again, it has like the gold foil, or actually it looks kind of copper. But anyway, I'm really impressed so far with the quality. It feels really, really nice. Oh, and here we go here. I don't know what this is. Some type of a free gift. I don't know if it's a coupon code. Let's see. It says, join a community of like-minded goal achievers and 90X your mindset today. And give this card to someone you love and a 20% coupon. So if you guys aren't interested, I'm assuming that this is okay to share if you wanted to order one. And if there are any links to anything, I will leave those down below in the description as well. Okay, so far, this is like an off-white cream colored paper. It says 90X Gold Planner and created by Alon. And I am noticing that it does lay flat. So it looks like here in the beginning you have a letter from the creator, a getting started guide, and basically instructions on how to use the planner. Now this is very interesting. It's got the pie of wealth here and a little example of the diagram, which I hope you can see. And I'm noticing that the ink here is like a brown color. So basically, this front section just tells you how to use the planner. Okay, so I'll have to take some time to read through all of that. Then you have the let's get started. And then it has 90 days. Now, when I was kind of researching this planner, from what I understand, is it's a planner that helps you focus in 90-day increments. So instead of trying to focus on just a month or a whole year, you really give your goals 90 days, and then the way this planner works is it tracks down each of the days for you to, I guess, be hyper-focused on whatever the goal is that you're working towards. So this is cool, the Pie of Wealth, vision board, goals. And if I didn't mention, this is kind of like an A5 size. Okay, so again, I'm going to have to go through all of this. And then you have week 1 here. And then it goes right into the days. So I see day 1 here. And again, because I have not studied this planner, I'm not sure how you're supposed to utilize all the little, areas and spaces here. But it does have a nice little quote I'm noticing. I hope you guys can see the focus here. Then it has a water tracker. Then it says 90 days from now, you will thank yourself for starting today. Very cool. Now, some of the feedback I heard about this is that for some people, this is kind of a complicated layout. And for other people, they liked it because it really simplified or broke down bigger goals into like manageable steps and manageable, I guess, chunks. So you get two pages per day. And then it looks like when you get to day 7, it says rewrite your goals, your top goals for the next 83 days, and rewrite your actions. So I guess every 7 days you have a little check-in with yourself. And then it says week 2, use this page to create an overview for next week. So it's got Sunday through Saturday. And then again, it goes into the day, 2 pages per day spread. Okay. So I could get on board with this. I could try it out. Okay, and then after 2 weeks or 14 days, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's one of my favorite quotes by Warren Buffett. And then here you are again at the beginning of week 3. It says rewrite your goals, your top goals for the next 76 days. Okay. Oh, and you do get a page marker here that I just noticed. Okay, so let's see what happens when you get to the end of the 90 days. So when you get to the end, it says, congratulations on achieving your goals. You made it. What is next for you? What goals would you like to achieve next? Thank you for using the 90X Goal Planner. Without you, we wouldn't exist. And then you get some lined note pages in the back. And also some blank note pages. And then you do have a pocket here. And then you do have an elastic closure to keep the planner closed. Okay, okay. Now this is something very, very different from a lot of the planners that I've been reviewing lately, only because, like I said, this focuses on 90 consecutive days, and it's undated, of course, so you can start whenever. And it's not necessarily month specific. you know, it just goes into 90 days. It doesn't take into account if a month has 28 days or 31 days. It's basically just focusing on a 90-day period in which you are to, I guess, really work on whatever the goals it is that you set. So, very interesting. So I am going to play around with this, and I'm going to see how it goes. I'm kind of nervous only because I know myself, and I'm always gung-ho with a goal for like a week or two, and then I fall off. So I'm wondering if using this will help me stay on track for the entire 90 days. So there you go. That is my unboxing and flip through of the 90X Goal Planner. Have any of you tried this planner? Or maybe did you see the same offer I saw on Instagram and decided to order it? And if you have ordered it, have you tried it? And what do you think? I'd love to know. All right, everyone, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.